friends. Good morning. Happy Wildcat Wednesday. Thank you for joining me for math today. Before we get started, surprise, I've got another joke for you. Get ready for it. Okay. How is the moon similar to a dollar? I bet today you could actually get this one. Try to think of all that we learned about dollars a few weeks ago. What makes up a dollar? What are some different combinations of coins you could use to make a dollar? Now think about what you know about the phases of the moon. I think you learned all about the phases of the moon in first grade, so I bet if you recall, you could probably remember some important information. Anyone get it? Okay, well, here's the answer. They both have 4 quarters. That's kind of funny, actually, don't you think? So I snapped a photo of our digital math wall. Let's take a look at our objective. It says, today we'll practice identifying equivalent fractions. Take a moment and read today's objective aloud to someone nearby or read it to yourself. So in order to understand our objective, I need to go over a few important vocabulary words. So here's our vocabulary wall. The first word you should recognize, it's fraction. Everyone say the word fraction. Good. Now, try to recall from yesterday what the word fraction means. Thumbs up when you've got it. Now you'll remember from yesterday that a fraction just describes part of a whole. Is that what you remembered from yesterday? We write fractions like this. One number on top and one at the bottom. The top number is called a numerator. Everyone say numerator. Good. The numerator is the smaller number. It describes part of the whole. The bottom number is called a denominator. Everyone say denominator. Great job. Now, the denominator describes the whole number. Now, one new word you might not know is equivalent. Everybody say the word equivalent. Great job. So the word equivalent is just a fancy math word for the same. So going back to our objective, our goal is to explain what equivalent fractions are. So here you can see I've drawn a circle and a rectangle, 2 different shapes, but they do have one thing in common. They're both whole. So we would say these whole shapes, or one part out of one whole, is unshaded for both the circle and the rectangle. We would write this fraction as 1 out of 1. Now here you can see the same circle and the same rectangle, except now they've both been partitioned or divided into smaller parts. Now, some parts have also been shaded on both shapes. For both the circle and the rectangle, in fact, 1/2 has been shaded, so they are equivalent or the same. Now you might be wondering, but Miss Garcia, the circle is divided into 4 parts and the rectangle has only been divided into 2, so how could they possibly be the same? Well, they are equivalent because if you look at these 2 shapes, you can see very clearly that half of each of them has been shaded. So even though the circle's fraction is written as 2 out of 4 and the rectangle's is written as 1 out of 2, they are actually both equivalent to each other. Next, you're going to head over to BrainPop Junior to complete your assignments. Today, like yesterday, there are bonus activities, so be sure to check those out as well. Have fun!